Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dawn with Dawn Renee's Designs, and I'm excited about today's video. We're going to keep with the fall theme, and I'm going to show you how I used a basket two different ways. I would love to hear which way that you like the best. So please leave me a message in the comments and let me know, and let's get right into this.
So here is the basket that I got at a garage sale this summer, and I'm just putting a riser into that. I have this wreath in my Etsy shop, and it fits on top of there perfectly. As you can see, we're going for traditional fall colors with this one, just adding a pumpkin to the top, adding another riser. This pumpkin I got at Hobby Lobby, and it's fabric and it's adorable and it works perfectly with this color combination. Now next, this is a pick that I also have in my Etsy shop, and it goes well just to kind of push it in there and add something to the bottom of the basket. Now these may look familiar. I use these in my 4 fall table centerpieces. I got this bush at Walmart, and I just cut it apart. I'm just adding it in here and there as filler, kind of all around the bottom. I want some of it kind of hanging over the edge. This is my family room, and this is one side of kind of it's a built-in is what it is basically. So just adding another bigger pumpkin in here. So we have pumpkins of all shapes and colors in here in our fall combination. And there you go. This is the first arrangement. These are all of the normal fall colors. What do you guys think? Okay, so now it's time to give this basket a facelift. And I'm just adding on some crud cutter just to get it cleaned up. Kind of helps to get the paint to adhere well as well. I am using chalk paint on this project. It's just chalk paint that I have left over. I don't even think this company is in business anymore, so just using what I have. I wanted to get a good coverage on this. I only put 1 coat on, but I did try to get an overall good coverage. Just kind of getting down in those cracks. Okay, you can see here where I have the whole basket painted. I even painted the handles, which were a leather. Now I am giving it just a dry brush. I love this technique. I used another chalk paint. It's like an off-white, and I couldn't find a chip brush, which is what I normally would use in this situation, but I just have a regular 1-inch brush that I'm using, putting it in the paint, drying it off on the paper towel as much as possible, and then just with what's left over, going back and forth over the area, and you can see that I'm going with the grain. You'll see here in a minute where I go with the grain of the bands as well. Sometimes I had a little bit extra paint still on the paper towel, so I just dabbed a little bit back on there. Now you can make this as heavy or as light as you want to get the desired look that you want to achieve. This just adds another dimension. It's so pretty. Okay, here's where I was telling you that I went with the grain of the band as well. And here I just wanted to show you what I did around the top. I did go around the rim of the basket. I did just that inside band. And then I also did dry brush the handles as well. And then, of course, I had to wait and let that gray dry first before I dry brushed it, but here's what it looks like. It's so pretty. So here we're starting with our second design, back with our original basket, but looking very different now. Putting a riser in it again. There's that same pedestal. And we're going in with lots of greens. I think this is the only greenery bush that I used in this whole entire design, but I used it throughout, and I got those at Hobby Lobby. So again, here I'm just using it as filler. You want to make sure you fluff your bushes out so it gives you nice, good coverage. This huge pine cone came from Hobby Lobby, kind of tucking that in and adding another bush back there just to kind of cover that up. Now I dry brushed this blue pumpkin as well, and I think I got that at Hobby Lobby too. And here I am back with this exact same bush. I'm going to put this, again fluffing it out, and I'm going to put it all between the edge of the basket and that riser. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know that I love whimsy. I like that imperfect, just kind of natural look, and this definitely gives that look. It was a rainy day out today, so the lighting wasn't too good. I hope that you guys can see this. I did have my light on. And there we go with the creamy white pumpkin that I love, love, love. Got that at Walmart, and I'm just kind of tucking that in there. I want it kind of at an angle. Now you could do, just sitting straight on it, but I wanted to give it a little character. 2 more blue pumpkins that I also dry brushed with that same white paint, or off-white paint, that I used on the basket. And I'm putting those diagonal from each other. And I just have a couple of small pine cones, gonna tuck those in there. It kind of continues the theme of the pine cone that we have down at the base of the basket. Another small white pumpkin, and that one came from Michael's. And then this is just a real neutral, natural pumpkin I got from Hobby Lobby. If you guys have been inspired, if you have enjoyed this video, would you please subscribe, like, comment, all this stuff. It just encourages me to continue to put content out there. I hope that this has inspired you, and have a great day. I'll see you next time.